Hey yo, what's up? It's Derica. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So by the title, as you guys can tell, your girl is now a part of the Locs community. And y'all, before we get to the video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you do not miss an upload from your girl. So y'all probably want to know why and when. So last Thursday to be exact, I decided to wake up and just say, okay, today's the day I'm going to start my lock journey. Like y'all, I've been thinking about locking my hair for over 3 years. I've been talking about it with family, my husband, and just friends. And being locked was something that I knew I was going to do one day. Being locked is something that I always wanted to do. Not only do I like the way locks look, but y'all, it's been so freeing. Like having locks, it's been so freeing this whole week. Just being able just to wake up and take off my bonnet and not do my hair has been so satisfying, y'all. At this time in my life, having locked hair is perfect because I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 girls. I do homeschool both of my girls and my wife. I'm very busy, so my life is very demanding. So anything to make my life at peace and a little bit easier, locks is the way to go. I just love the way that they look, and I cannot wait till they mature and look so good. I cannot wait for my first wash day, my first retwist. I'm super duper excited. So at this point in my life, it's just perfect. Like, I can free up so much time. Do y'all know, like I know y'all know, how long it takes to wash your hair, detangle, style? That takes up like a whole day. And why would I want to waste all my time in my hair when I could be spending time with my family, doing something productive, and just having just a satisfied life and not just being my hair? So with that being said, I will now be a part of the Locs community. I'm only 1 week in and 1 day, and I just love it. I love it already. As you guys can tell, I did go with the 2-strand twist method, and I did them myself. I know I could have went to a loctician, but me being the person, knowing that I can just do a 2-strand twist on my hair, I just did it myself, and I am pleased with the way they look. I don't have any regrets. My hair does look full, so I'm just excited to see how it's gonna look once they start to mature and everything like that. So y'all, I'm so excited, and welcome to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. I'm sorry y'all that y'all came in at a different time where I will no longer be doing loose natural content, but I still will be doing natural hair content regarding my hair, my kids' hair, and stuff like that. So with that being said, comment below and let me know what y'all want to see and what are your thoughts and things like that. And so at any time, this is the way I look at it. It's just hair. We can do whatever we want to our hair. At any time we ever get uncomfortable in anything that we're doing with our hair, we can always stop it and go back to what we're used to. But I just feel like locks is going to be me. It's so me. And I'm just happy. I'm just very happy with my journey. And I think that's about it. I think that's all I have to say. So I will be updating y'all like probably once a week, or probably like every month I would talk about my hair. But in the meantime, I still will be doing hair content or whatever else I decide to do on my channel. But yeah, so I will be updating y'all and letting y'all know what I experienced and just things like that, things that people may want to know who are deciding to lock, people who are already locked. So this is new to me, but I am so excited, and I just can't wait, y'all. I just can't wait for my first retwist. I can't wait till I start seeing some budding. So this is gonna be a long, great journey. Like I said, I'm only 1 week in, and I'm happy. I'm pleased. I'm satisfied. I was loose natural for 6 years, so it was time for a change. I just woke up March 5th and said, you know what? The time is now. I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna wake up. I'm gonna do my hair, and I did it, and I stuck with it, and I'm just so happy right now. So y'all, so that's it for this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. I hope that you do stay if you just subscribe to my channel just to see what this journey is going to take me. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss the upload from your girl. And also follow me on Instagram at @osonatural_ so y'all can get notified whenever I upload or just see pictures whenever I'm not on YouTube. So yeah, that's it, y'all. That's it. Your girl is a part of the Locs community.